everyone, in today's lesson we are going to see some new vocabularies and revise some previous lessons about grammar and also about vocabulary. Okay, so let's start.
Visit. Cave. Diver. Footprint.
Try
Discover.
to discover, repeat.
Rock.
Rock.
Scream.
Scream. Okay, try to repeat after the speaker. Okay, so here we have them. Visit, and this is cave, diver, footprint, discover, rock, scream. Okay, so here we have some sentences and we should put these letters in the correct order to form a word. There's a big footprint on the snow. Is it from an animal? There's a big what? A big cave. There's a big cave on there, over there. Do any animals live in it? 3. In the summer I visit. In the summer I visit my grandma and my grandpa in Spain. I have a great time there. 4. I want to be a diver. I want to be a diver because I love the sea. 5. There's a flower on the rock. On the rock. There's a flower on the rock. Cool. Great, so that's it. Let's move. Exercise number 2. Now match. Okay, we are going to match these sentences with the right picture. There's a big footprint on the snow. Is it from an animal? Where is the footprint? Where can you see it? Yes, this is the footprint. Okay, so it's C, footprint. Okay, so we will match 1 with C. Number 2, there's a big cave over there. Do any animals live in it? There's a big cave. Where is the cave? Yes, this is the cave. D, there's a big cave over there. Over there. Do any animals live in it? 3. In the summer, I visit my grandma and grandpa in Spain. I have a great time there. Where can you see grandma and grandpa? Yes, this is grandma and this is grandpa, so 3 with A. 4. I want to be a diver because I love the sea. Oh, there is no diver in the pictures. Okay, there is no sea. Okay, so let's skip it. 5. There's a flower on the rock. Okay, so this is the rock and this is the flower. Okay, so 5 with B. There's a flower on the rock. Cool. Okay, I want to be a diver. This is an extra sentence. So it doesn't match with any of these pictures. Now let's move. Here we have this. In this exercise, we should conjugate those verbs in the past, like what we have here in this example. Listen.
Roy listened to music last night.
Roy listened to music. Listened. Okay, so here we add ed because this is the past. Okay, so if you forget the rule, so this is it. We add ed to form the past. Visit, visited. Stop, stopped. Here we double P because there is a vowel before P. Yes, then here travel, Travel with double L, then we add ed. Traveled. Like, liked. Plus ed, just d because we have an e here. So, like, liked. Play, played, play, played. Okay, so here studied, we drop y, then we add ied because there is y at the end. But here we don't drop y because there is a vowel before y. When there is a vowel before the last y, we don't drop y. We just add ed, like play, play, played. Okay, so here we have some examples in sentences. I visited my cousin yesterday. I visited my cousin yesterday. We walked. We walked on the beach. We walked on the beach. We didn't stay at home. We didn't. So this is the negative. So we want, if we want to form the negative, so just add didn't before the verb without conjugating the verb. If you observe something here, we didn't add ed. Stay, not stayed. No, stay. We didn't stay. We didn't stay at home. What did you? Okay, so this is for the question. We add did before the subject pronoun or before the subject in general. Okay, so we say, what did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? So this is the question. Okay, so here you can see some other examples.
I visited my aunt and uncle yesterday.
My sister discovered a pretty rock yesterday.
They jogged a lot. We travelled to Australia last December.
But Mum, we tidied our room last week.
They liked their new toys.
They liked their new toys. Okay, so that's it. Just let's pass now to this exercise number 3. Okay, so I travel. Okay, so travel in the past with double L, then we add ed, traveled. I traveled to Spain last summer. Tina, for her test yesterday. So study, we drop y, then we add ied, studied for her test yesterday. Ben, a big footprint in the cave. So the verb is discover, with ed, so discovered a big footprint in the cave. 5, they play. Play, we don't drop y because there is a vowel before y, so we just add ed, played. They played tennis last Monday. We all danced. We plus a d because there is an e at the end, so we all danced at Sally's party. Okay, now look, read and correct.
Bella played basketball yesterday. No, she didn't. She played tennis.
Yes, so this is Bella played basketball yesterday. No, this isn't basketball, this is tennis. No, she didn't. She played tennis. Number 2, Bella painted a tree yesterday. This is Bella. Is this a tree? No, it isn't. This is a flower. So we should say, no, she didn't. No, she didn't. Yes, she painted. She painted what? A flower. She painted a flower yesterday. Okay, that's it. Bella visited the museum yesterday. Bella visited the museum. Is it the museum? No, this is a zoo. Zoo. Okay, so no, she didn't. No, she didn't. She visited the zoo. Okay, yesterday. Bella washed her dog yesterday. Washed her dog. Is this a dog? No, it isn't. So we should say no, she didn't. No, she didn't. She washed her bike. Okay, her bike, not her dog. Bella danced with grandpa. Is this a grandpa? No, this is grandma, so we should say no, she didn't. No, she didn't. She danced with grandma. Okay, so that's it. We have finished this exercise. Okay, so yesterday
I played tennis. Yesterday I played tennis and football.
can you write me what did you do yesterday? Write it to me on WhatsApp, on my private WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your listening and see you in another lesson.